You know, so them really say, woman fool after 6 o'clock or in a full moon. So yeah, tell me, say Maureen, you never remember when we did there and we have a nice time, and after the nice time, me sit down and reason I sign the papers.
Me no idiot. You understand? Me no sign no paper. The only thing me sign for... Jesus mercy. You take my signature off of the phone, yo? Hey, is it for one time and on the old Maureen?
You sure you want to go back to the old Maureen? Jail there wait for you, you know. All you have to remember, say the pen stronger than the knife. When I time them. And the next thing, you have some mental health problem.
So woo. So I'm mad. You say I'm mad, right? After me, you come see me. We look at business that go on, you know. And you come, oh, okay. So this never real. I'm a business that they want. So all the sweet up, and the wine drinking, and the nice up time. Because you want my business,
Are you feeling this is what I talk about? When me come in and invest and make profit?
Profit? Me no money in the account empty. Workers now get paid. That you call profit?
The business make profit. But as a businessman, I have to invest. You know, that's why more time them things that you wanna know.
Alright. Mr. Swaby, now that you have controlling interest in my company, what's gonna happen now? Workers no money in their account, workers need their money. What's gonna happen?
Though you get your money at the end of every month, you don't worry about the workers them, man. Me will deal with that. Just left a part of business to me and don't worry your pretty little head.
So, I am the employee and you are the boss. Alright, Mr. Swaby.
Don't worry yourself, man. You know, a management position. And furthermore, you're good with the boss. Maureen, I'm gonna explain something to you. You see the type of risk them I needed to take with the business? They'd have to own part of it. And you would have never take the risk them I would have take. So just relax and play your role and you will good.
You want me to think that you controlling my business, everything will be good, you know? And everything nice. What you want, right?
Just do the right thing. And when the business mature and reach certain level, you will get it back fully.
Okay, Mr. Swaby. Anything you say?
Everything I got alright, man. You want something for drink? I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, Mom?
Tony, you there home?
Yeah, I'm at home. You alright?